Hapa ndiye yamba. Hapa ndiye yamba. Kudandaula yayi. Kudandaula yayi. Biko.
Ya, pasono pano muzamsanga utaka vanhu mbo kuyanga sukuru mai vichipara mwana wane mbo wahula uku waiwera kuntengwa mai vichipara ni umoyo wa sono usharo sono chanangika sharo nyacha.
Ine ndemwa huno pano na stress nkumbaka munhu mnyake mhewa mphalira akautitiye ngauperekeze kwa sambizi wa mwana wako. Mwana wane hivyo washita mwauno mwa vanhu numphaleni. Wanchitira vinhu viwe miyayi. Wakuniphala kuti yayi amama ine nawera ku school ngumfuma kuti chifukwa cha vichwa kuti vasambizi vanu ngundifumira pawalo chifukwa kuti nanguchaya mwana mnyake. So apa ndenguluza kandrama yane pambula kumanyika kuti mwana uyo ivo wakuchita ku school nivi. So nkumbaka kuti waleke school wangasabira ngaso school yayi wailekeletu.
So mwana waleke school poti wopanga vinhu vorongosoka yayi?
Nguluza kandrama yane na.
Ya, skulu mwana wangaleka angachapitirizikani kumpasa school fees mwana utenge school kuti murike ndarama iyo cha.
Is better ndarama yane nigenge waka kunyumba chifukwa kuti ndarama yane nguhiruzanga kutasa mwana ku school chimwana ku school palije isho wakitapa dazili nyake asambizi wake wakiza bakuti chimwana chako icho chikushita palije olo even one chikuinapo chichose yayi mikalasi bangu ndiyo ya ndena palije isho wakuchitapa so ngumanya yayi kuti nivi
ya rongosivo mkudandaulapo vikupulikika kweni suzikonda kuti mkumaya kweni vana eti wakawanga kuti nyanga yake vakupulikanga yayi kweni mwana apa mundu mwana wasambira mwana apo wasambira ku Nthazi ozakava na sukulu ya kuti pake nyanga yake pake wakamsambizika ngiso imwe mukamtinga ngawa kamwana ndena so mwana yira mumisevishi apa mukona kuti pake kusukulu wa kusambira makola chiwemi kumsangira kakumalo kunyake oti ngawa ngasechi wanga kasambira vindu visaisi vizakawe makola chifukwa apa mwamulekesika sukulu ndo vira mwana paka wanga madera ya kupambana ya kuti pake mukafumapo muruti vyaro vinyake kukumbika ati mundu mukapulikana makola pa kukumbika English maona so ti mwana waleke no kusambira chavi kwa makola mbwe chiwe mtevishi mwana we mutika kusukulu kunyake kuti pake nga wanga kasanga ovira kuti pake wasambire
ya hapo boy unene sonadi chifukwa kuti umoyo wa sono ngwa kusuzga maona muzamsanga sotandu kenekana nditi kuzindikira ngayayi mundu wakuti nyengo nyake sitawakafu mbwe tikunjizikaso ngana suzgo likulu chomene mukati mnyumba maona muzamsanga tolo nyengo nyake wa mundu mamoto upange kwa business vana vasambire usambizike makora bwa mzamsanga taka moyo mbo kuchenanga kakumova maimbuni para maona so vindu vandevira vikuanga makora kenekana ndiyayi maona kweni naseso tapapitieze skenge kupanga control vana tione kuti kati pange mbuni like akatundu ngumaya payo ngati parapo tuwiri na tutatu naoso ngumanya panje vakumanyapo
akatundu arikusambira nadi awo.
Varusambira
akatundu wako ya chizungu cha masevera.
Akatundu yani. Akatundu uko.
Panyaka akatundu mungandiphalira ko vindu vakuti panyake mwana wani wangasida ine chimwana chinekesenga chikuni mali akandirama zane nde apano nde nangu vatumizira mama wane ngitondeka mphaleni ko akatundu panyake mungandiphalira ko chintu chakulongoza
sukuru hizo za wazungu hizo mwana waleke waka vasukuru hivyo waleke waka va wazungu
so tikapulikanga kuti ati mukakwapuranga chizungu ndo nyake president wakamshemanipo kuti ati mukamyoyere
kasambira neka vizungu hivyo not vasukuru hivyo yaye kwapura vizungu hivyo
mphaleni ko chizungu chimoza icho mkumanya.
When I was 14 years I was like 4 years.
Ya, vikuchitika. Ya. Pachizungu akuti it happens. So ati teuli ni mokuvira umoyo ndi pachoko.
Ya, ndivyo hivyo mmesa ndivyo naeta saita yoyanga kuti vana wakumbika vasambire mwaona wapapewa hapo wakoya visungu va broken ngani hivi. Vikwa makola sha. Chifukwa tikamu kumanya vana wakukharanga pamalo ya moza haya wakuyendanga. Sumaro ya kupambana yara kuyenda kwa viyoere kwanga kupambana kwa chiyoere cha kuti munhu mungapulikana maliviro bwechi kwanga ndini English so izi skulu yo mwana ikumbika mwana wasechi wasambire nivone ningayo yako ine
dudu waona kuti mbuni para munhu andasambire ne usanga kugwirisika mugorosale ndoro upanga business even business nayo kumba skulu ukupanga business upisanga opereka change shinandi chikwa cha utunda sambire yayi kuno ku John kuno nakoso kumba English waona para undayo English njito kuliche sikusowa njito
aine chimwana chana chikutenga upanyake chikapangika kaminda kaya uko chikalimenga ku vanhu kuminda nako kukhomba school mbwe chikapangika minda onani he chizungu ichoko imwe mwaniphalira kuti yayiwayo wakumanya chizungu Mr. Ujena uko kwe palije icho wakumanya vakatundu waniwezera so manyuma ine
ya apo asista vakuyaona ndi makuachomene utaka masiku mukuona so kuti vanhu vambula kuti make vakusambira vakupanga so vindu vwe michomene kana kupambana na vanhu varakusaishi vakusambiraso kwene ubrutuso nawo minyanga yake pake nguwe miso monena onera chikwa kuti vindu vikuoneka apa sono vaulongola ati vuya nawo akaolo ya vuya nawo akapeta shukuru
hapo mbakusuzga hapo shukuru njiwemi shukuru njo ukumbika shukuru njo ukumbika ya shukuru njo ukumbikira chifukwa kuti mulamsanga kuti nyengo nyake ine nkumbukira ulendo nyake mbwe pakizapo munthu wakuti wakufumira ku America pasukuru mbowa kuti ninjani wakampokera mulendo mamza wose mbowa kala chete cheto so nyingo nyake kusambira ngako ngwemi unaona mboiso zanga kuti mbwenu sitaruta tatimbako kachizungukura
ukabwereka munthu ku Zambia
tayo yako naye kachizungu tikapokera mboto kuti munthu uyu wali vishat walikomba kwa so sometimes English njiwemi chita kuti wa munthu ungaenda pose ndikuti ungamaya kuovwirika paningana para kumango chizungu sukuru njiwe mchomene tienti limbikise vana sukuru kuti vakusambira
Very in the morning chomene, I was walking Kakuru.
yeah
Then you see, I meet English. I talk.
So if you say meet English what do you mean
I talk. I kuruma.
You mean you talk you finish all right vuchitika tena tavantu tose tikusambira mokuyana
ine umo napulikira pano ne naona ngena ndimunenesa mavantu imwe school nja kukhombikira mwaona Mr. Katundu mwakuyoyerapa vavenge kuti valimbikiranga vapulikiranga mama vate valutenge panda so ine icho nipangenge sono nimtole mwana wane nimulutiseke ku boarding is better nigonengena njala kweni mulutise ku school iwemi ende ku boarding not ma boarding akayayo yakugonana na vanhu ayayi kweni mulutise ku boarding wakuti nako vamanya kuti mwana uyu wazira school
So over your money, you over your money.
Ya itaunga chomene apa tafika mpamarutu wasevero litu litangwa naro ili wakwamba ni kutine pano Mr. Special mkunimanya zinane mkati msevero nangu wa biko pango waso uyo ni Zulu Boy ngshemeka Santoni pango waso uyo ni Beauty uyo ni Nisha enyasha pango waso mnyake uyo ni Diana tikumanya uyo washemekanga Dudu ya kweniso ni producer witu yo tikuta plus film yo washemekanga Katundu Mr. Broken English taonga shomene
Mr. Broken English, let's talk English, the one you learned, the one your parents taught you. You speak English very well, I understand you. Talk to me. School njiwe miuli. Tell us in English, in your English, the one your mother taught you.
No, you know this, we're doing it for just education purpose, but school is good. School is very good. Everywhere you go, school is not about speaking English. School is about knowing things. When you go to school, you open up your mind to learn. So school is very, very important. Sure, brother.
All right. In this program of ours, you are called Akatundu, you are called Mr. Broken English. Being called Mr. Broken English, what do you really want to tell people? What people must know about Broken English? What do you want to tell people about Mr. Broken English? You are called Mr. Broken English.
You know, most of times the people who have never gone to school, they are the ones who criticize people to go to school. So I took this part of being someone who has never been to school but is pushing harder to show as if he has gone to school, speaking English even as if he really don't know how to speak English, just to beef up people. Yeah, so I'm just trying to teach people that let's be positive, let's not discourage people. No matter how much we can cheat or pretend to people, but later they will know that no, this is not true. The right path is this. Yeah.
All right. The program is done, and now we are doing the interview for the news. We are doing for the news. The program is done. Mr. Biko Biko, in the program, tell us your perfect name, where you come from in Malawi. Komwe mumachokera ku Malawi, uko mkufumira ku Malawi kula.
Don't worry, my brother.
All right.
You can talk English, yeah?
All right.
Mr. Special, don't
Tell
worry.
us where you am. Mr. Biko Biko, komwe mumachokera, komaso ndi ntchito yomwe mumagwira kunoko ndi udindo wanu ndi zomwe mumachita.
Okay, yeah, nkhani njakuti ndine Biko Biko na uyo ni Mr. Special. Yeah. Na munthu ine ngundakashitangapo waka vyakuzikarazikara vi like makomede ya kundakasanguzangapo anthu ndithu pano nkhani kusambizika vanthu kuti vasambire ngemo chimwana chinyake ya malingana nge mmoyo kwendera sono na sharo moshiriri ndithu taonga chomene
Taonga tizeso pa Mrs. Mr. Nisha. Is it? Mrs.
Anisha, Tafnisha.
Mrs. Anisha.
Yes.
Ndikupempheni muzifotokoze kuti kumuzi kuja mumachokera kuti ndipo kuno mumakhalira kuti mutakulankhula ka chitumbuka ka chichewa ka chizungu chomwe mungakwanitse bwino ndi chomwe mutakufotokoza tikuziweni.
Ineyo ndine Beauty nimachokera ku Ekwendeni ku Muzuzu ndi kumene nimachokera panopa nimakhala ku Deep Road. Ndithu
kunoko mumakhala mumagwira ntchito umoyo wanu mumakhala motani mumagwira ntchito yotani.
panopa sindikugwira ntchito nimakhala ndi mwamuna wanga papati ndi mwana mmodzi ndithu apapa sindikugwira ntchito ina iliyonse koma nimakhala ku Deep Road.
Mwapezeka kuti leloli muli mu A+ studio mukupanga za ma video, mukupanga za ma comedy, mukupanga za ma programu apa wireless. Inuyo makamaka Mulungu anakudalitsani ndi mphaso zotani pokuzana ndi ma program amene wawo.
Ineyo Mulungu anandidalitsa ndi mphaso yojambula ma video, ma comedy ndithu ndi zimene nimasangalala nazo kwambiri pa moyo wanga. Nimazikonda kwambiri, nimakonda kujambula ma movie, nimasangalala kwambiri ndi zimenezi.
Chabwino tathokoza. Mawu anu kwa Amalawi kapena mawu anu kwa anthu a dziko lapansi pano kuti akumveni adziwe za inuyo, mawu anu omwe mungakhale nawo kwa anthu ndi otani mawu anu otsiriza?
Mawu anga otsiriza ndoti ineyo nimakonda zinthu ngati makomede kuti ndizisangalatsa anthu nanenso zimandisangalatsa pa umoyo wanga andikuphunzitsa anthu. Makomede muja zimakhala tikuphunzitsa anthu ndi zimene timapangira makomede kuphunzitsa olo ngati zinthu zina zimakhala za mbanja zimene timapezana nazo pa banja ndi zimene timapanga ndithu.
Komede yanu yomwe mungawapatse Amalawi kapena langizo lomwe mungawapatse Amalawi padakali pano 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, komede yanu chiphunzitso chanu kwa Amalawi.
komedi yanga ndiyoti nthawi zina upeza muli pansika olo muli kwina kwake basi mwaona anthu inuyo mwayamba kuseka kaya sanaphode bwino sanavale bwino basi mwayamba kumseka munthu uja tachioneni kaya ndichochokera ku Zimbabwe chimenechi olo kapena ndichochokera ku Malawi chifukwa mavalidwe amenewo ndi achimizi kwambiri ndiye simkuziwa kuti munthu uja akukuvani olo kapena bwanji mupeza kuti inuyo mwamunyoza munthu uja kenako mpeza munthu uja ndi mmachokera kumozi ndiye zimakhala zamanyazi kwambiri sibwino kunyoza anthu oti siukuwaziwa poti wangomuona pansewu basi wayamba kumuseka munthu uja ndiye tizikondana osanyozana olo kuuzana chilungamo olo kumwitana munthu uja sister taona ichi koma osati kungofikira kuyamba kunyoza anthu ayi zimene zija sizabwino.
Mr. Biko, Mr. Special, mawu anu kwa Amalawi omwe ali ku Malawi kuja kapenanso Amalawi omwe ali kuno ku South Africa kapenanso Amalawi omwe ali munjira kuti akubwera kuno ku South Africa, mawu anu ngotani?
Apa ise tipwanenga kachitumbuka apa kani chotaka tendite mwinga umoyo wa kusapotana na umoyo wa kutemwana na umoyo wa kuwapamoza kweniso kutemwa vantu nyengo nyake wakuwanga kuna machitika vantu ena kuwapanga ku supporters azinge kutukurana kuti maruso yatepandaza kuli vantu nyengo nyake awo ningarangizapo pachi vakuti vakuiza kuno kusasafirika kuno awa chomene nikatika tanandi katikwiziranga kupenja vakuya chomene ni kweni kuti nilije kwe ngani chotaka English ndio yukumbika ndito.
Tibwere kwa inu Sister Dudu, mwina muli ningani ina iliyonse pali anthu ena ambiri ku Malawi kuja afuna kuti ngatata bwera kuno ku South Africa, pali anthu ambiri omwe akusirira umoyo wanu omwe mukhala kuno ku South Africa, mungakhale ndi malangizo otani kapena mungakhale ndi mawu otani kwa anthu omwe ali ndi kusirira kuti abwere kuno ku South Africa? Mutakuyankhula mchinenero chomwe mungakwanitse bwino.
Okay, to my side, I can say that, first of all, let me say, I'm Dudu on this comedy, but my real name is Diana. I can say that and encourage my friends that are at my home at Malawi who wants to come in this country of South Africa. You are welcome in this country, but the most of all, when you leave your country, you come in this country, carry your heart, like to say, you must have that heart of loving and caring and respect most of all. Because when you come in another country, you have to respect that country and you have to love everyone in that country. You have to also maybe to share good things to those people who you meet in that country. Because you mustn't just come in that country and to say, I am who I am in my home. That thing, it doesn't work in this country. Most of all, in this country we are living, is not our country, it's somebody's country. As we say, when you go in someone's house, you have to go according to those people, what they do in their houses. So is that all I can say? Do what they are doing, but in a respectful way. And you must know where you come from. You mustn't come here and lose your culture. You mustn't come here because they do this, I must also do this. No, but you have to do what you want to do, like loving, caring, and sharing is a very beautiful thing that you can do, and to live friendly with others. Yeah, it's all maybe I can say to that.
Mr. Broken English. You're always good in English. You always speak good English. You always teach us something. Your English, your last words. What last words do you have about this program?
Oh, this program was so awesome, so nice. even though we just meet should be 3 hours ago. So I could say we haven't met somewhere and discuss about this, but people with brains, they try to come up with something. I really appreciate. I'm hoping that next time we will prepare and come up with something more teachable and more entertaining.
Do you miss speaking English?
Yeah, sometimes I do.
Do you miss speak English well?
I do miss speak well sometimes.
Uh,
And
teach me listeners listening, me radio listening. Talk to me. Talk to me.
the listeners out there, they have to follow up the line to understand. Yeah, if they miss the rope, if it's off, then they will not understand. So they have to follow up the rope. Yeah, they must early in the morning wake up and follow the English. English is only for morning. Yeah, so the student, you must go to school early in the morning if you want to learn good English, like the one that I was talking in this comedy.
So you speak English well English, me understand. So me your last word.
Me
Close the
and
door.
my
Close that door.
last word is me and my last word are going to school to learn geography. Yeah, because I over English, so I will begin geography. Yeah,
What about geography?
geography, because I over English now, so I will begin geography. Yeah.
Thank you very much. Me appreciate me you talk English. Me you education very good. My English very small. My English very small.
That is very, very intensive.
So I need my English big.
Big.
I need my English big. How can I do my English big?
You want to do the English big, you wake up in the morning. Yeah, very mlencho man. Very mlencho man. You wake up and you chimbira jogging.
Yes.
Chimbira.
Yes.
Chimbira.
Yes.
When you see the Zuva is coming,
Yes.
morning there,
Yes.
English is in your head.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like
You know
like
English.
me jogging early in the morning. Early in the morning. And when the sun is coming
You
up,
know English.
then I know English. Oh.
If you see the white man is coming, what is that? You say Zuva, that one, Zuva.
Zuba.
Yeah. You know English.
Yes. Zuba.
Zuva.
Sun. Okay, all right. Thank you. Tamaliza interview yake hata.
Simisadi kapangani yuji.
Ai atakalikale tisimisa.
Mwanya mrajani mama dada.
Bawo ngani